Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing a new tarot deck that I just bought. Nice little ASMR going on here. All right. Alright, this is Christina Ricci created a deck. It's called The Cat Full of Spiders Tarot Deck and Guidebook. I got this from West Elm. I noticed it was on Amazon as well, but it looked a little different, so it looks like there's two different editions. This one was black. The one on Amazon I noticed was like white or gray or something. It had some purple on it as well. It's a nice like box book thing. Ooh. Nice little velvet sort of container here. Ooh, nice thick book. Ooh, with the nice pictures of the cards too. I always like when they have pictures of the cards so you actually know what you're reading when you're reading. And then the deck itself. Little spider down there. It's a nice little velvet situation going on. That's cool. It's a cool box. Right, and here's the deck. Ooh, it's like matte paper. Very nice. I've never had one that's matte, I don't think. There are the backs. Cats, spiders, you know. Very Christina Ricci. This book is pretty neat too. I'll have to, of course, delve into it a little bit more and do some readings with it, but I just wanted to unbox this for you all. And yeah, it is at it's available at West Elm and Amazon. I'll put the links below if you are interested. Thanks for being here. Have a good day.